What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video, but not just any video, it is the very last video of 2020. Happy New Year in advance to all of you out there, wherever you are in the world. Some of you, when you're watching this video, it's already New Year if you're in Australia, New Zealand. Some of you guys who are watching this video are still waiting another 12 hours or so before you hit the New Year. But overall, happy early New Year to all of you guys. Now in this video, as you can see by the title, I just want to say a big thank you to you guys. Just going to kind of talk through my year a little bit. But overall, most importantly, I want to just thank you guys for such a great year. Now, we're going to dive into all that in just a second, but two things I want you to do before we do that. The first one is drop a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys have had a good year, and if you guys have enjoyed my channel this year. Now, the second thing I want you to do is go check out yesterday's video on how I've made 14K profit last week from trading. That's definitely an eye-opener for you guys, anyone who's looking to go into trading in the new year. But anyway, back to what we wanted to talk about. So 2020, let's be honest, it's been a weird year, it's been a tough year, but we've made the most of it, especially on this channel. And I look back at the journey, I started the year with less than 500 subscribers, and now to the point where we're at almost 1,450 subscribers. So the channel has tripled. That's brilliant, and that's all down to you guys. Let's be honest, the growth from this channel has all been down to you guys. I started the year videoing with my iPhone 6s like this, and we've got to the point now where we're making, a lot better videos, a lot better quality videos. And I know, yes, the content is not the best. I know it's not the, best channel in the world, but honestly, I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. The support you showed me, the love you showed, the tips you guys have given, the advice you guys have taken, all of that, I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys. Because, while I'm trying to help you guys grow, I'm sure you guys are also trying to help me grow. The positive feedback, the comments, the people who said, you need to try and get a microphone, get better lighting, get this and that. All of that is definitely appreciated. And again, I can't say thank you guys enough. Now, I'll be honest with you guys. I know many of you guys out there are YouTubers. I know there are a lot of you guys who watch this channel who are also not YouTubers. YouTube is really a grind. When you put in so much time and effort, you want to see results. You want to see people interact. You want to see comments. You want to see that kind of stuff. And to be honest, the first 6 months, even 7 months until July, I wasn't really seeing that. There was a few likes on a couple videos. There was a comment every now and then, but it wasn't consistent. And it really made me think about deciding to, stop the channel or doing something else. But somehow in July, you guys just started lifting up the channel. Again, I don't know how, until the point where in August we hit 1,000 subscribers. So that really just gave me a boost of confidence. The love you guys showed, the support you guys showed, all of that. Like, honestly, again, I cannot say thank you guys enough, which is why I make sure that those of you who do have YouTube channels, I make sure to check it out. It's not always my content. I see some stuff which is like makeup tutorials or, certain things which are just not really my thing, but I make sure to go have a little watch and then obviously comment, show the love, same supporting, subscribing, liking, the same thing back to you guys. Because again, I cannot appreciate how much you guys do the same for me. For those of you who have channels similar to mine, when it comes to finance, when it comes to managing money, making money, when it comes to anything like that, I appreciate you guys, because not only have you guys come and supported me, but as I've supported you, it's also helped me grow. It's also helped me learn things. And again, I want to say a huge thank you. Those are many of you guys I've met from all different types of channels. We've got family vlogs, we've got sport videos, we've got inspirational videos, motivational videos, we've got some of you coaching, we've got some of you guys doing fitness, some of you guys doing a little bit of everything, your personal life, vlogging. There's so much going on, and it's really nice to see, enlightening, eye-opening, interesting. So to all of you guys who are making those kind of videos, well done, keep it up, and don't stop in 2021. Now, a little recap of my thoughts on the year. Just in general, it's been a very interesting year, and it's really been a year of adaptation. We've seen so many things that we never saw before. As you guys know, it's kind of obvious. We had the whole pandemic. We had stocks crashing like crazy in March. I've never seen some stock prices get so low. There were stocks that I bought a couple of years back and I thought, wow, this is the lowest I'll ever see them. This is great, I got it now. By this March, they had crashed to below those prices. And I'm like, what? After all the growth they've done, like, it's crazy what's happened with the stock market this March. We had obviously the virus, which has stopped so many things from happening. We had sporting events cancelled, concerts cancelled, all different things postponed, all because of this virus. Now, we've also had a lot of opportunity. I know you guys don't think that, but we have had a lot of opportunity. For example, not traveling to work, not being out and about, having a lot more free time to yourselves, learning a bit more about time management, all came from this kind of thing. I'll be honest with you guys. When it came to the pandemic, that's how this YouTube channel grew. By me thinking, you know what? I've got more time to myself now. I didn't really have time to edit before, learn how to edit, do that kind of stuff. Let me find out how I can make the channel better. That was down to the pandemic. So if you guys are out there complaining, moaning about the pandemic, well, I hope you guys did take some time to do what I did, which was, in this case, improve the channel. I also made a course during the pandemic. I also learned a few different new things during the pandemic. And I really hope that you guys did the same, because we had a lot more time to ourselves. And I'm saying had as if, it's ending tomorrow. It's not ending tomorrow, but we had and still have a lot of time to ourselves to do things that we would like to do, which we didn't usually get a chance to do. Again, I'm speaking from my perspective, my experience. In the past, I didn't always have time to edit, didn't always have time to make videos, didn't have time to chop videos up properly, make actual long videos, informational videos, do research, edit them, make thumbnails, do all that kind of stuff. Now, of course, I do that, and again down to the fact that I had a lot more free time this year than usually. Also, I want to just quickly, drop a message for any YouTubers who have been doing YouTube in 2020 and also those who are going to start in 2021. Honestly, again, it is a huge grind. It's a massive grind. 2 days ago, I made my Monday motivation video and a live stream that day. That day was a grind itself because I made the Monday motivation video at, I think, 2:30 in the morning, almost 3 o'clock, because I knew you guys liked seeing it. I thought to myself, I don't want to make this video, I don't really have time to, but I'm going to find a way. I know there's a lot of people out there who enjoy the Monday motivation videos. They say it's their favorite, they love watching those videos. And I'm like, okay, I've got to at least do it for those people. So anyone who's been doing YouTube or is going to do YouTube going forward, remember those people who are there to watch your videos. Anytime you want to quit, anytime you feel like you cannot make time for it, try and remember those people. I know you've got to, take yourself into consideration, of course, but remember those people and say, you know what, let me try and find a way. Let me make a way if I really can. Instead of those hours when you're not doing anything, you're gaming, you're on social media, you're just wasting time, think, what's the best way I can be productive here? I can be productive. I can make a way to find time and do what I want to do. Let me go and do it, because you're going to have many times of those kind of things. YouTube is not easy. Those of you who are already doing it, you guys know that. It's very difficult. And if you want to succeed, if you want to make good content, you've got to put in so much time, put in so much work, so much effort, all of that. And I do think it will be worth it if you do stay consistent, if you do continue. I've seen channels this year grow from a few hundred to thousands. I've seen channels that used to comment on my channel go from, a few tens of thousands to over 100K now. And that kind of growth only happens through hard work, consistency, and improving your content. So any of you guys who are out there who maybe like me, have a smaller channel or even a much smaller channel than I do, remember that before the beginning of this year, I had less than 500 subscribers and we've grown to a point now where we're triple that. That's just to remind you guys, keep putting in the work. Difficult to start off with. You might not be used to talking in front of a camera. You might not be used to sitting down and, putting out your thoughts, sharing your thoughts, the authenticity, all that transparency, all of that kind of stuff. But you get used to it. As you continue to do them, you continue to practice, you get better at it. So those of you who are already doing it again, keep it up, keep working hard, keep putting the effort. Those of you who are new to the game, don't get discouraged. Don't think you have to see growth too quickly. Just take your time, but stay consistent and keep improving. Now I want to talk a little bit about the channel going forward, my plans for 2021. I've had the channel almost 3 years now, and in the last 2 years I've tried to make videos each and every day, so you guys have seen that. And going forward, that will not be the case anymore. So just to put into perspective, not that I've run out of ideas, in case you think that, but looking at the analytics, the watch time, and being productive, I don't want to just make videos for the sake of it, but being productive, I'll be making less videos, but obviously more quality videos, and obviously content which you guys do want to see. So sometimes when I make, videos which are about 5 tips to help you save money, they get a lot less views than the videos where I show you guys how to make $500 a day in the stock market. That's an example. The videos where I make on Monday motivation, those kind of videos get a lot more views and a lot more interaction than videos where I say 5 tips for your time management, for example. So going forward, I'll be producing more of the content you guys want to see, more of the content people want to see in general. Cannot make a video for every single person out there. Yes, I know you guys are always commenting on videos, but again, I'm looking at my analytics, I'm looking at the interaction, I'm looking at the watch time. That kind of stuff is very important to me. Being productive is a very important thing to me. Time management is also important. So I'm not just going to keep making videos for the sake of it. So that part of the channel is now finished, making videos each and every day. So we'll not be doing that going forward. There will still be Monday motivation. There will still be your Financial Friday videos. There will still be a video on the weekend for you guys to hustle, to teach you guys about hustling, to provide you guys with ways to hustle, to make money. But there will not be a video each and every day. So to summarize, do expect a video each Monday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday, and then there will be one within the week. So it might be a Tuesday, it might be a Wednesday, it might be a Thursday, but look out for that. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so you know when a video has been uploaded. But yeah, I think that's the best for the channel going forward. Trying to increase the watch time, trying to increase the engagement, the likes, the views, all that kind of stuff. I think it doesn't make sense for me to make a video each and every day when those videos only get 80 to 100 views. Whereas if I make a video with a day break or a couple days break, or videos you guys do want to see, they automatically get over 200 views. So of course I'm doing what's best for the channel, and also just trying to give myself some better time management going forward. Now lastly, I do want to say 2021 is going to be a great year. It's a positive message for you guys to take into 2021. Today is the very last day of 2020. Leaving negativity behind, leave any bad thoughts behind. Going forward in 2021, have the right attitude, go with the right spirit. We've got this. We're gonna make it a great year. We're gonna make it the best year in ages. For those of you out there who enjoyed Summer 16 like I did, that was unbelievable. We're gonna make 2021 like Summer 16. So I'm saying we're gonna make the whole year like that summer, because for me, that summer was unbelievable. I don't even know why or how, but it was. And 2021, more of the same vibes. So let's go out there. Let's be happy, let's be positive, and let's make it the best year possible. Lastly, final message. Again, a huge thank you guys so much for the support this year. Everyone who's subscribed, everyone who's liked, everyone who's commented, everyone who's shared these videos. I've seen you guys sharing, I can see the analytics. You guys have shared these videos. We need to share more, but you guys have done well. So, but going into 2021, like I said, share them more. I've got to thank you guys so much. You guys have been a huge support, a huge help to this channel. I can't thank you enough, as I've said already. Make sure you guys are back here next year for another video. Yes, that's different. It's next year now. Be back here next year for another video. Also, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff as always. And finally, check the links in the description. We have free cryptocurrency through Bitcoin, through Coinbase. Go check that out. We have Robinhood, so you can get a free stock for me and you if you sign up through my link there. We also have an online guide to business. That's the first link in the description. Don't forget about Time Gear Watches, my smartwatch company. Check us out. Smartwatches for men, women, kids, all a lot. Go check it out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, watching the other videos, watching all the videos on my channel. But that's it for the money management this year. I've got a new year to be chasing. You've got 2021 to enter. See you guys next year for another video. Peace.
It's game over.